Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got some spicy news straight from the 2023 Apple event. The new iPhone 15 has just been unveiled, and it's causing quite a stir on Twitter. Users are memeing away about how this release might affect their trusty old iPhones. Let's dive in. So, at the Apple event, we saw not only the iPhone 15, but also the Series 9 Apple Watch and the Apple Watch Ultra 2. The iPhone 15 boasts a whopping 48-megapixel main camera and promises an all-day battery life, thanks to a larger battery. Exciting, right? Now, in terms of looks, the iPhone 15 lineup looks pretty similar to its 14th edition counterparts. The big change here is the switch from Lightning to USB-C charging to meet European Union regulations. But here's where it gets interesting. You know how older iPhones can sometimes feel a bit sluggish? Well, Twitter is buzzing with jokes that as the iPhone 15 gets closer to its release date, those efficient older models might coincidentally start slowing down. It's all in good fun. If you're eager to get your hands on one of these bad boys, pre-orders for all iPhone 15 models start on Friday, September 15th, with the official launch on September 22nd. Prices begin at $799 for the base model and go up to $1,199 for the Pro Max. Now, here's a quick history lesson. Back in 2017, Apple did admit to slowing down older iPhones. But wait, it wasn't a sneaky ploy to make you buy a new one, it was actually to preserve battery life. Lithium-ion batteries tend to degrade over time, and slowing down the phone prevented unexpected shutdowns. The good news is, if your iPhone is feeling a bit sluggish, replacing the battery can bring it back to full speed. This battery slowdown feature affected models like iPhone 6, 6S, SE, 7, 8, X, XS, XS Max, XR, and more. So there you have it. The iPhone 15 memes are taking over Twitter, but don't worry, Apple's got its reasons for what it does. If you enjoyed this quick tech update, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more juicy tech news. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.